In this video, you'll learn how to hide an image from a WordPress gallery. By following these steps, you will be able to manage your gallery images effectively and maintain the desired appearance of your site. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. This can be done by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the WordPress.com homepage, which features options to sign in or explore various WordPress services. After reaching the homepage, locate the Sites section. This can typically be found in the main navigation menu. Click on Sites to proceed to the next screen, where you will see a list of your WordPress sites. Next, choose the specific site from which you want to hide an image. The selected site's dashboard will appear, displaying various management options and settings related to your site. Once you are on the site dashboard, look for the option labeled Finish Setup. Click on this button to finalize the initial configuration of your site. After clicking, you may see a loading indicator as the settings are applied. After that, click on the Close button to exit the setup. This action will redirect you back to the main dashboard where you can manage your site's content. Now, locate the image within the gallery that you wish to hide. Click on the specific image to select it. This will usually open an edit interface for that image, allowing you to make changes. Proceed by typing the phrase "hide this image" in the provided text field. This step is crucial as it signifies your intent to hide the image from the gallery display. Look for any system feedback indicating that your input has been registered. Following your input, a message will appear stating, verifying assumptions and applying changes. This indicates that the system is processing your request. Wait for this confirmation message to disappear before moving on. Finally, a message will display stating the image in the hero section on the right side has been hidden by applying a hidden style class, while the rest of the layout and content remain unchanged. This confirms that the image has been successfully hidden from the gallery, ensuring the desired layout remains intact. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.